Effective remedy for reducing belly fat. Belly fat can be equated to something you don't want on your body but can't hide it either. No matter what you do, you can never get rid of it without an effective plan. Each single look in the mirror drives in you the desire to get rid of it as fast as possible. Most people with belly fat do not know whether to diet or walk in order to enjoy a healthy lifestyle. But simple walks are an ultimate warm-up exercise and an effective remedy for reducing belly fat. Here is a quick rundown of how simple walks contribute to reducing belly fat. Before we start the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. Warming up for simple walks. Developing an effective walking program is a sound way to warm up your desire to lose belly fat. Walking gets blood flowing effectively through the muscles, eliminating the possibility of injury. Here are a few tips on how to warm up your walking program. 1. Start your walks slowly and gradually increase the pace and intensity. Concentrate your efforts in maintaining a good form and posture. Relax while you take your simple walks, and avoid overstriding or exaggerating your arm swings. 2. If possible, break the simple walks into a slow jogging pace. Pick up the pace in shorter intervals, and back down progressively to complete your simple walks. This process shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. How simple walks work. A walking program will help you increase your activity level. An increase in activity level contributes to a progressive improvement in the basal metabolic rate. An increase in the BMR means burning of more calories each day. Even though the speed you walk at is very important, the distance you walk each time is vital too. A regular and slow walk will help you burn approximately 3/4 of a calorie per kilogram of body weight. For instance, if you weigh 200 pounds, the loss would be about 70 calories. On the other hand, a fast and brisk walk will burn close to 125 calories a mile for someone weighing 200 pounds. Thus, you must cover longer distances or walk at increased speed each day to lose belly fat quicker. How often should you walk? How often you take your simple walks determines the quantity of belly fat you lose. Ideally, walk for a minimum of 30 to 60 minutes each day, and about 4 to 6 days each week. If possible, use a pedometer to track the number of steps you make each day, and record them down. It is recommended that you take a minimum of 10,000 steps every time you walk. When to walk. Consider walking early in the morning or just before dinner. Walking just before breakfast stimulates the burning of extra fat stored in the body while you are sleeping. Walks stimulate an increase in body metabolism over time. Hence, more calories are burnt, reducing the development of belly fat. Anyone can make use of simple walks to lose weight, but the results will definitely vary from one person to another. Be patient, maintain your routine and enjoy seeing belly fat off your lifestyle. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, "I subscribed." Also check my latest videos.